Minecraft account banned. Recover it using the official method. If your Minecraft account has been suspended or you're having trouble accessing it, this video will show you how to contact the official Minecraft support team. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Minecraft Help. Step 2. Open the official Minecraft Help website. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Help section, then click Support. Step 4. Choose the option to submit a request or submit a ticket. Now you'll be taken to the support form. First, select your language. Next, choose your game Minecraft. Then select the platform you're playing on, such as Windows, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, or another device. After that, choose the category that best matches your issue. Enter your Minecraft username, the email address linked to your account, and provide as much information as possible about your problem. Be clear and polite when explaining what happened. If your account was suspended and you believe it was a mistake, explain why and include any helpful details. Finally, review everything carefully and click Submit. Your request will be sent to the official Minecraft support team. They will review your case and reply to you by email. Keep an eye on both your inbox and spam folder while waiting for a response. That's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs help recovering their Minecraft account.